Hello and welcome. Today we have got some thrilling news from the world of AI. OpenAI has just launched its latest innovation, the O1 model. This is not just any AI. O1 is designed to tackle those brain-bending problems in math, science, and coding with unparalleled precision. But here is the twist. It does not just spit out quick answer. No. It takes its time to really think things through, giving responses that are as thoughtful and sharp as a human expert. And guess what? This powerhouse is now available for ChatGPT Plus users. So if you are ready to see O1 in action, go ahead and dive in today. Remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up for more exciting AI update. Catching you in the next video. Thanks for watching.